single software error can delay thousands of flights, disrupt airport operations, and impact passenger safety. That's why aviation software development is one of the most complex and high-stakes industries in tech. How do businesses manage flights, crews, passengers, and aircraft in real time? The answer is aviation software. And in this video, we'll break down how to build one from idea to launch. But first, what is aviation software? Aviation software powers everything from flight operations and crew management to passenger systems, aircraft maintenance, and airport operations, helping improve the overall customer experience. Now let's understand why aviation tech is growing fast in the market. The reasons come out to be rising air travel, increased automation demand, real-time tracking, AI and predictive analytics to improve operations and reduce delays. Once you have an idea about the market, now is the time to build a functional product. Step 1. Choose the aviation software type. You can build airline reservation systems, fleet management software, airport management platforms, MRO software, or even air traffic management solutions. Step 2. Build the core features. Modern aviation software requires flight scheduling, real-time tracking, crew management, ticket booking, push notifications, and secure payment integration. Step 3. The UI/UX design. For a simple interface, modern aviation platforms should focus on fast dashboards, easy navigation, clear alerts, and real-time visibility. Step 4. Engage in the development phase. Begin with choosing the right tech stack, develop the app, then focus on testing and integration. Finally, go for deployment and long-term support. But building the software is only the beginning. Aviation technology is evolving faster than ever. The future of aviation software will be driven by AI automation, IoT aircraft monitoring, cloud-based operations, and smart airport ecosystems. So, what are you waiting for? Build future-ready aviation software with JPLoft, a custom aviation software development company with 15+ years of experience and a portfolio of 1,100+ digital solutions, all protected with an NDA agreement. Now, what are you waiting for? Click on the link below and book a free consultation today.